In today's video, I will show you how to change email on Tinder. Keeping your account details current is a smart move for your digital safety, especially since Tinder relies heavily on your contact information to keep your profile secure and verify your identity behind the scenes. If you have switched to a new email or just want to tidy up your digital footprint, updating your information directly inside the app only takes a few moments. To start, open the Tinder app, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. From there, scroll down to the App Settings option, then click on Email. Now, simply delete your current address, type in the new one, and hit Send Verification Email. As you do this, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, Tinder has strict verification limits, meaning each individual email address and phone number can only be verified on one active Tinder account at a time. Second, you want to be a bit cautious when changing account emails, as some users across online forums like Reddit have noted that altering their linked email can occasionally cause a glitch that triggers the creation of a brand new blank profile in place of their old one. And that's it. That's how to change email on Tinder.